Hello students, it's Dr. Sansom and I wanted to make a video for you to talk about percent yield. So I have a problem here. When 884 grams of Fe2O3 was reduced with excess carbon, 507 grams of Fe were made. What was the percent yield? Now I have some additional information. They told me Fe2O3 has a molar mass of 159.7 grams per mole, and carbon monoxide is 28 grams per mole. And they gave me a balanced chemical equation. Fe2O3 plus 3 carbon makes 2 Fe and 3 carbon monoxide. Okay, so let's look at this situation. In order to calculate the percent yield, the first thing I need to do is calculate the theoretical yield, and then I'm going to use my actual yield to find the percent yield. So they gave me some information here in this first sentence. They told me that I had excess carbon, so I don't have to worry about the carbon because I know that I have enough. And then they told me that I was starting with 884 grams of Fe2O3. That's my reactant. And so I'm going to use this information to find my theoretical yield. My 507 grams of Fe, that's my actual yield. So I'm going to ignore that for now, and I'm going to start with my 884 grams of Fe2O3. So 884 grams of Fe2O3, I'm going to turn this into moles. 159.7 grams is 1 mole of Fe2O3. And using my stoichiometry, my mole ratios from the balanced chemical equation, 1 mole of Fe2O3 is going to give me 2 moles of Fe. And finally, because my mass that they gave me for the actual yield is in grams, I'm going to have to turn this into grams. So 1 mole of Fe will be 55.85 grams of Fe. So if I do this calculation here, I'm going to multiply everything on the top and then divide by everything on the bottom. So I end up getting 618.3 grams of Fe. That's my theoretical yields. Theoretical yields are always going to be the result of a stoichiometric calculation. If everything goes perfectly, this is what would happen. But now they told me I only made 507 grams. So 507 divided by 618.3, this is my actual over theoretical. So that's going to give me my fraction. I multiply by 100% to get it in percent. And I'm going to get 81.99%. I'm going to actually just round it up to 82%. Should I have 3 sig figs? Probably. I'm going to call it 82.0. 82.0%. Okay. There we go. So that's my percent yield. The important things that I did here are I calculated my theoretical yield, which is always the result of a stoichiometric calculation. And then I took my actual divided by my theoretical to get my percent yield. I hope that's helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.